gotta run out to grab the knife. Alright, so as we can see, after opening up the package, you have your OBD2 to power source right here. Basically same. And you got your mount. This is your mount to your center column. And this is also another one of the OBD display right here. Now you have one or two options. Option one, you can plug it into your OBD, or option two, you can plug it into your USB inside your cars. So you have your USB-C right here, and then you have your power source right there. That power source is for this. And you have this display right here. Up here you have your left and your right and your menu right here, or also aka OK button is this one right here. And you take this piece right here, you put it, after you loosen this thing out right here, so basically just like that, and then you tighten up just like this. That's basically it. Now you can angle this the way, however way you want. And you also get a ply tool, your 2 3M. So first 3M go here, second 3M is for spare, just in case if you need them. And over here you get your owner manuals right here. It tells you all kind of features that it has right here. So you got your right, OK, and left, adjusting brightness, adjusting bracket, light sensor, update port, and your OBD port. And over here, quick setup, so you can set up your as is instructed, plug it into your OBD, and then put the device on top right there, or any way you want. Set up position there, or onto your windshield. Now the next step is like the feature. This is the type of display right here. So it can run RPM, coolant, voltage, average fuel, instant fuel, fuel level, oils, CVT, turbos, engine light, fuel, I don't know what that fuel P mean, oil, fuel pressure, oil pressure, IAU, EGT, outside temp, driving direction, drive time, you got your speed and direction, GPS accuracy, GPS speed, altitude, and signal. And over here I tell you operational. You hit right, OK, and then select option, change, hit OK, and then you have adjust fuel, like adjust fuel, alarm system, special, left, right. There's all kind of stuff that's like inside the owner manual, so you just have to look into it, and then you can adjust a lot of features. I'm not gonna go through all these features, but at least I can show you inside the owner manuals. So I'm just gonna show you how does it look like inside the cars. So right there, adjust speed, this, that, powers 5. But that's basically it. Alright, we're gonna go into the cars and we're going to set this thing up. Alright guys, so I just plugged in my my OBD display right here. Let me focus things in right here. It's very blurry. Let me see if I can adjust higher. So right here, the best I can do for it right here. So I plug it in. Here's all the display that you can have. This one, this, and your height, the height of your truck, like the ground clearance and stuff. And you have that features, that features, and right here, fuel system, engine load, coolant temp, and fuel train, and that's basically it. So as we driving, we're going to show you each display and how they function. All right.
This one.
Okay, you can have that one. To me, it's not the best gadget out there, but it could use improvement. But other than that, it's good for the money. So yep, let me know in the comment below what you guys think about this. Alright guys, have a great day.